for alligator. A for apple. A for art. A for Asia. A for Aquarius. A for April. A for archery. A for aunt. A for angry. A for animal. B for bed. B for bicycle. And B for bird. Bird. B for clothes. B for blue. B for bee. And B for bread. B for black. And B for blanket. Oh, my cozy blanket. B for brown. C for computer. C for circle. C for clap. C for classmate. C for conductor. C for clean. C for cooking. C for close. C for cloudy. C for cousin. D for dog. D for desert. D for doctor. D for deer. D for desk. D for dancing. D for doorbell. D for doctor's office. D for dice. D for drummer. E for engineer. E for emergency room. E for eyes. E for elephant. E for Europe. E for razor. E for empty. E for eggplant. E for exciting. E for earth. F for football. F for fairy. F for fan. F for fence. F for fox. F for fall. F for February. F for farmer. F for fast. G for girl. G for go. G for goat. G for grass. G for gate. G for grass. G for gym. G for game. G for garage. H for helmet. H for hamburger. H for horn. H for history. H for Halloween. H for hairdresser. H for happy. H for hat. H for heart. H for hen. I for ink. I for iron. I for iceberg. I for igloo. I for indigo. I for ice cream. I for iguana. I for invent. I for insects. J for jar. J for jacket. J for jaw. J for jeans. J for joy. J for June. J for Jupiter. J for July. J for Junior. K for knee. K for kid. K for kit. K for kite. K for kick. K for king. K for kangaroo. K for key. K for knife. K for kitten. L for lips. L for lollipop. L for lamb. L for laugh. L for look. L for leopard. L for log. L for lamb. L for love. L for lake. M for mask. M for mat. M for milk. M for moon. M for mirror. M for map. M for Monday. M for mitten. M for monster. N for nest. N for net. N for noodles. N for nut. N for necklace. N for nib. N for nine. N for neck. N for ninja. O for owl. O for oceans. O for ostrich. O for oat. O for ox. O for oak. O for owl. O for oven. O for onion. P for princess. P for pumpkin. P for park. P for pizza. P for popcorn. P for pie. P for present. P for prince. P for plane. Q for quality. Q for quince. Q for quasar. Q for qualified. Q for horse. R for rose. R for rattle. R for rat. R for rocket. R for ring. R for rocking chair. R for radish. R for robot. R for raccoon. S for sheep. S for scientist. S for school. S for Scorpio. S for Saturday. S for Caesar. S for shoulders. S for skirt. S for sick. Hope you will. T for tall. T for table. T for two. T for tomato. T for truck. T for table tennis. T for toy. T for teddy bear. T for tree. U for UFO. U for U-turn. U for unicorn. U for Uriel. U for United States. U for uppercase. U for uniform. U for unzip. U for ugly. V for volcano. V for wet. V for Venus. V for vacuum cleaner. V for wigs. V for vanilla. V for vehicle. V for vacation. V for van. W for watermelon. W for walk. W for wheel. W for well. W for web. W for wall. W for water. W for weightlifting. W for war. X for Zeister. X for Zigua. X for xylophone. X for X-ray. X for Xmas tree. X for X-ray fish. X for Zephyrs. X is for X. X for Xmas cookie. Y for YouTube. Y for York. Y for yacht. Y for yum. Y for yellow. Y for yard. Y for york. Y for yeast. Y for yucca. Z for zebra. Z for zero. Z for zoo. Z for zookeeper. Z for zigzag. Z for zip. Z for zebra crossing. Z for zebra shop. Z for Zors. Hi, dear parents and kids. Let's dive into the world of fun learning. So much fun is here for you, like study games for kids, learn the alphabets, learn the numbers, vocabulary for kids, tracing letters for kids. If your kids are fun loving, then subscribe Totta Kids Nursery Rhymes and ABC Learning